What is up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at Fuxploider. Fuxploider is a type of software that's used in vulnerability testing. It's quite powerful software, and essentially what it's used for is file upload vulnerabilities. We're going to go through how to use it, the syntax of using the software. So you have to understand that you have to install it and also cd to the folder. So once you cd to the folder, you want to use Python 3. Make sure you download Python 3 and have it installed if you don't have it already. If you're using Kali, it should be installed already. You want to write Python 3 and write the Python program Fuxploider py, and then you want to use the argument dash dash URL. Copy and paste the URL that you want to test the vulnerability. Make sure it's on the endpoint. So this is my endpoint. Then you want to write dash dash not dash regex, and you want to get an error from uploading. So I have a file right here, guys, the virus.2php. I'm going to try to upload it, and this is my error. Copy your error and paste the error. And we're seeing no HTML forms found. Now, the problem we have here is that my website needs some credentials. So what I'm going to include is cookies. So I'm going to be putting the cookies here. And the way I will find the cookies is, one way you can do is also open up F12, go to memory or storage, and then you can see all of your session ID. So just copy your PHP session ID, copy, and just paste it right there. And as you can see, we have now checked and it has done the first test. So what we see is it just says detection of valid extensions, and we have all the extension list here that it believes that are valid for this form. And then it asks you to start uploading payload. You write yes, press enter, and it begins going through and uploading and checking. Now this is the biggest thing about the software. This is a damn vulnerable web application. So obviously we have a lot of successful answer. I'm gonna end it, and yeah. So what you can do is look through, and here you can see it's found a match, upload of this with the MIME of audio.pmgg. So what a developer can do with this is quite simply allow the software to run and analyze what is actually working. So with this application, it's clear that this web application is very vulnerable and is able to be accessed by pretty much a lot of different file extensions as well as different MIME types. So here we can see it's able to upload PHP to so it's clear that this is a very vulnerable application.